Are you in favor or against of live-in relationship?
Obviously in favor of live-in relationship.
I hate not living relationship.
Yeah, I'm in favor of it.
मैं फेवर में नहीं हूँ। नहीं गलत है, वो सही है मतलब।
Yeah, I'm in favor of live-in relationship.
As a man, as a husband, I will not accept it. In no case it will be accepted.
I am against.
Yeah, me too.
सपोज मेरी सिस्टर है, अगर किसी तरीके की कोई किसी के साथ रिलेशनशिप में है, कल हो करके अगर उसके साथ ब्रेकअप हो जाए, महल्ले वाले सारे या कॉलोनी वाले सारे जान जाते हैं इसको, जितने ब्लॉक्स वाले हैं वो जान जाते हैं इस चीज़ को, तो बाद में मेरी सिस्टर का मैरिज के लिए मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़ेगा।
I think it's no harm. You can know the person very well before marriage.
कोई खास वजह नहीं है, लेकिन पसंद नहीं है।
Because if a guy wants to live with a girl, it's okay. They don't need to get married for that. And we, as a society, we have no right, to interfere in a personal relationship of a guy. So if you want to live with wants to live with a girl or a guy, it's cool with me.
We are Indian, our culture not allowed this. So I think after marriage we have to, live with our spouse. So it's not good to, according to me.
Same views.
If two people, if that level of commitment is there, I don't think that you need a tag of marriage.
कुछ ethics और values होते हैं जो हम हमेशा सीखते हैं, तो I don't think living relationships वो favor करते हैं.
It's not like that, because you don't need to get certified as like marriage to be in a relationship with a girl. If you have love in your life, so it doesn't matter you are married, you are living in a relationship, it's okay.
आदमी मैरिज के बाद ही साथ में हो वो ज़्यादा बेहतर।
In marriage, if you have to sustain for a long time, knowing a person is of high importance. So I think living relationship is not bad. It should be encouraged.
ज़्यादातर जो रेप से के केसेस जो आ रहे हैं वो लिविंग रिलेशनशिप के वजह ही से आ रहे हैं।
देखिए है तो ऐसे गलत है, ठीक है, लेकिन दूसरी अपनी अपनी चॉइस, अपनी अपनी पसंद होता है। हमारी पसंद जो भी है वो हमारे पसंद के लिए है, लेकिन दूसरे को हम कह नहीं सकते, क्योंकि ये मैटर ख़राब होता है, आपस में आपस पैदा होता है, इस वजह से कोई किसी को कह नहीं सकता है। लेकिन ये चीज़ अपने आप में सोचा जाए तो गलत है।
So most of you are against actually. And what can be the reason behind it?
We are just studying now.
So what has studies got related to do this thing?
But still we get distracted.
Distracted. Okay, with a normal relationship you guys don't get distracted.
No.
At this age, we are not capable of being in a relationship. Yeah.
Simply wastage of time.
Wastage of time. Yeah.
According to me, I can't trust anyone girl. But you have to learn to trust now. So you have to live with someone to trust.
Great. So you are in favor of it.
Yeah, why not?
Please don't be one.
I mean, see, Western culture, it's a totally different culture, and we are mixing up with the Indian culture, which is not joining, right? You cannot combine a train with a car, right? There has to be two bogies, which conjuncts, right? So you cannot combine two things at the same time, right? They have a different culture, they have a different association and understanding. Here, sex is a taboo, but there it's not. It's just exercise, nothing like that. So that's the difference.
As in a girl and boy living in the same house without any commitment, that's not good.
So how is marriage different from live-in relationship?
But commitment होता है ना, commitment नहीं है अगर किसी के बीच में कुछ भी हो सकता है। Living relationships में and commitment नहीं है तो you don't know the consequences.
तो तुम्हारे accordingly basic idea क्या होगा live-in relationship का? क्यों करते हैं लोग?
I don't know, शायद enjoyment.
Enjoyment.
Yeah, enjoyment of it.
Yeah, that's the physical attraction.